Is your iPhone showing there was an error playing the video in WhatsApp? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your WhatsApp application and tap on Settings option. You will see the option for chats now. Tap on that and then tap on Chat Backup. Here firstly tap on Auto Backup option and change it to Daily. Go back and now tap on Backup Now option. Your backup procedure will begin. Once backed up, check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the WhatsApp option there and tap on that. You will see the Offload App option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall WhatsApp again. Offloading the app will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Doing this will free up storage used by the app and fix it further. Also, in Settings homepage again, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application and tap on that. Now make sure the app has access to all these options, starting from contacts, photos, camera, calendars, etc. This will help the app to function properly. Check if the app is fixed or not. If not, open App Store and search for WhatsApp there. Make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app. For the app to perform smoothly, you have to make sure that you are using an updated version of the app. Lastly, restart your device, as restarting fixes majority of the issues on your iPhone. To restart, tap on General in Settings and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Shutdown. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. And with this, your WhatsApp should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.